Hi everyone, this is Robin Wright from Happy Warrior Cosplay, and today we are in my workshop. We will be attaching these nifty little rivets that are finally dry, and we will be putting them on my shield. So as you can tell, I have this fancy new respirator mask that I got for Christmas. I'm super excited to wear it. In the past, I've only used a piece of cloth across my face. It wasn't ideal, so this will be for dremeling, spray painting, anything that produces something I can inhale that is, potentially deadly. So we're excited. Now, I will be working on my shield today. We're going to be adding some extra details. So I will show you that, and then we'll hopefully get to priming it with some Plasti Dip. So please stay tuned, and I will show you around my workshop today.